Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have another human hair wig review for you guys, and it's something very different for me because I've never tried a V-part wig before. So I was actually kind of hesitant about this review, but you know, here's the final look and I got her together. So she's been through a lot as far as like cutting and stuff, but I'm going to show you guys my whole entire process. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair, so shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So if you would like to see how I blended my natural hair with this curly wig, then just keep on watching. Hey y'all, so hopefully there's an intro before this and this was successful. So I have been low-key dreading this review because this is a V-part wig. So it's very similar to U-part wigs where you have to bring out some of your hair. But this is a little bit different with the V-part wigs. It's supposed to be a little bit easier than U-part wigs because you don't have to bring out as much hair as you did with U-part wigs. But the thing about this one is this is a looser texture. It's a looser curly texture. It's not kinky curly, so it's going to be a little bit harder for me to blend my hair, but I'm going to do it anyway. So I have a lot of different tools in front of me. I have this little, what is this called? I bought this years ago. TGI. It's like I think it's called like a lollipop curler, but it's very small, so I can curl some leave out. And I do want to do leave out because I have watched several videos in preparation for this, and some of the people that just, you know, don't do any leave out, the part in space to me looks too wide. So we're gonna do leave out, okay? It might not be a lot, but I wanna do it. Here is what the wig looks like. It's the curl pattern here. It's a little bit tighter than I was thinking, but it's still definitely not my type 4 hair pattern. So we'll see what we can do. Like, here is what the front looks like. I hope you guys can see that V. And it's supposed to be, yeah, you see how that is? It's not as bulky as, you know, U-parts from back in the day. And it's supposed to be flatter right here. That's how that construction looks. And then we have these clip combs here that I'm going to use to anchor in my braids. Now I'm not going to try to do this all the time because I don't want to rip my natural hair out. So we have those 4 combs, 2 on each side of the V part. Then we have one like in the middle. Behind the V part, we have a comb in the back and adjustable straps. So I'm gonna try to do it without leave out. It's just, I have a lookbook that I have to do this week where it's gonna require me to have my hair out in some styles, and I don't want to be putting all this heat on my hair. So we're gonna try to do it with no leave out. I'm just scared because I have type 4 hair, and baby, this is not type 4. So I just washed this with my Aussie conditioner, so it just needs to air dry. But let me see what I can do because I have just one braid unbraided, and I put some of this edge control from Glee Made around my part to get a more sleek part. It's from Glee Made. This is the edge control. She sent this to me. Shout out to Jessica Monique Thomas. She's the owner of Glee Made. And I'm gonna have to lift my roots a little bit to hide the line of the wig. I have to bring some hair out here too. I'm putting the combs in the back end. I don't want this to look too wide because I done seen reviews and I'm like, child, just take some hair out. And I might be like that. Okay, the wefts are covered. So now I just need to slick my hair down because you see this little thing right here. We got to get that together. So I'm just going to use this edge control and see what we can do. Because my part actually don't look too wide. Like, okay. And I really didn't want to, I was just thinking like, if I gotta put all that heat on my hair. I don't know if I want to do that. And if your hairline is not completely like full, you can add matte black eyeshadow to fill in the space, or you can use the Hair Topic like filler fibers. I used to see Muffins Is My Lover use that years ago, but I also see Kyra Shine use that as well. So if you have some thin spots in your hairline, you can fill that in. That don't look too bad. So now let me get the other parts of my hair together, and then we can focus on laying this wig down. So I have these bobby pins here. I'm going to secure the sides. This don't look that bad. So this is what my edges look like right now. I usually use my She Is Bomb edge control, but I let my sister borrow it, and I don't have it with me right now. So, but this one's pretty good. Got me slicked down. I mean, you don't have to do baby hairs if you don't want to, but with curly hair it kind of calls for that. So, and now I'm going to kind of define the curls and let it air dry. Let me see how long this is, because this looks pretty long. This is 24 inches and I'm 6 feet tall. This is what it looks like, kind of wet. 24 inches. She's still wet, so I'm gonna go section by section. So of course I'm gonna be using my new fave, which is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. Here it is here. Y'all know I've been mentioning this in all of my curly videos, and this will be my first time using it on a looser curl. So this will be in my Amazon storefront, as well as the conditioner I use and the edge control and all that stuff. So I take a little bit, not a little bit, a lot, and I just start to work it from the bottom to through the length of the hair. Then I get my Felicia Leatherwood brush. This is like a must-have, y'all, because if it's a must for your natural hair as well, like your real hair, because these combs bend. Because I've broken some paddle brushes before, but this is not broken even on my natural hair. So just gonna run that through the curls, and you can kind of scrunch them up if you want to. With kinkier textures, I don't have to do that. The curls just kind of clump up by themselves, but this is a looser texture, so it's going to be a little bit harder. So I'm just going to go throughout the hair and put this product in there. And I might have to use a diffuser to speed this curling process up.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and
Okay, so we're back and the face is done. So I've been doing my makeup for about 45 minutes, and I just slid this elastic back so I could like blend the edges of my face and stuff. So we're gonna complete the front of this wig. So I'm gonna take this off. The thing that I've noticed to make this look real is to lift the roots. Don't have it too flat around like where the V part is. You need to kind of lift the root a little bit. Okay, I had this spoolie here that I kind of roughed up the root a little bit, but this would work even better if this was a kinky curly wig. Like,
don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. scared. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.